Haka jingyat rally ki nonghikai school SSA, haka shatri ka all Meghalaya SSA Teachers Association. Bandawa naka Sorkar, bakan siew no ya ka tulop jongki kabah kila sya set la san bnai. Namar ka poi sya ka kim ka khat shisha. Haka ni ka jingyat rally jongki nonghikai SSA, ka Sorkar, kalarai ban siew no ya ka tulop kabatang arbnai. Ya kabasa an sapet ndalayo sanction biang na Delhi pensngo unong yalam jongki uba Aristotle rumbai Hadien ba menteri katnat pule puthi ba lakmen rumboy ulakhot ban yakren yaki utai unong yalam jongki no hikai SSA ulayathu baka jingkren jong uba lakmen rumboy ba omla ban pentikina ban penbiang lut henrei katnat kan le ya kabadon kam shushu uba Aristotle rumbai ulayathu umla ban ai karai yakin no hikai kila ne emban priang yakatei karai ba ai menteri.
Okay, the outcome of our meeting with the Honorable Education Minister, there are two things. Okay, first one, he have agreed to release our 2 months salary. That is for the month of October and November. That is from the capping norms. During the meeting, he have informed us that the finance department have agreed in principle to release from the capping norms out of 100 crores to release some amount so that the government will be in a position to pay our salary for 2 months, that is from October to November. And for the remaining 3 months, that is from December, January and February, the Honorable Education Minister have assured us that once he received the second installment from the Government of India, immediately he will release the pending 3 months. That is the outcome of the meeting. We are protesting. For that reason, we are protesting that we tell the government, make a policy decision, make a decision so that if the central government end this scheme, as what they have already issued a notification that it will be ended by 31st March 2026. Who knows? Who knows that the government will end this program on 31st March 2026. So what we are saying that now it is high time for the government to take initiative to do the needful now, not to wait till the 31st March 2026. And for your question, what will happen after that? The best person to answer your question is the Honorable Education Minister. What is the plan of the government? The assurance in writing we have not, the Education Minister did not issue us. So that's what I'm saying. We have to go there in multi-ground and tell all our SSA teachers who gathered there what is the outcome, and collectively we will take a decision. Yeah, that's what I'm saying just now. That it depends to the fund released by the government of India for the remaining months. For 2 months, once they receive the funds from the finance department, immediately they will release the 2 months, that is for October and November. And for the pending months, as I have already assured by our Honorable Education Minister, he assured us that once they receive the second installment for Government of India, immediately his office, his department will release that amount. We have also discussed that. We have told the Education Minister that we are not here to challenge the government. We are not here against the government. We are here just demanding for our right. So we have given a suggestion from our end that let us end up all these things. We don't want that in future the same thing will repeat regarding the salary issue. So we have suggested from our side, we have suggested the government that why not you frame a policy to do as you have done for the ad hoc or deficit teachers to release their salary quarterly. So that we as SSA teachers will understand that okay, quarterly we will receive our salary, so we can manage our livelihood. So from his end also he have agreed to take this suggestion for further discussion with the Honorable Chief Minister and with his officer in Education Department, and is the assurance what he has given. See, the total number of teachers is 12,541. So frankly speaking, this number is just a number. It is not 12,541. Some of them have passed the MTET exam, have got government teachers. So the post, nearly the post is vacant around 12 or 1,300. I cannot share you exact figure. It's not with me. But it is around 12 or 13 posts of SC teachers still vacant.